Hello, ladies! I am super excited, if you can't tell. 31 just started their new Personalization Studio. And I want to show you how simple it is. So we are going to go to my31.com/kcorson. My internet is a little slow, sorry, so it might kind of fidget here and there. Alright. If you can't remember what your product is that you're looking for, you can just kind of wing it a little bit. So we're going to say large tote, and it's going to bring up all the large utility totes. I want to do the dancing diamond. And click personalize. And here's where it's going to start looking different. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So here is your print that you got. If you're wanting to change it, click on choose product print, if my internet will let me. And it's going to show you all the prints that are available in the bag or product that you have. I'm alright with this print, so we're going to choose personalization. They have it to where you can either view all of them, which is here. So we're going to go through all of the different ones. So they simplified it for you to where you don't just sit there and click through a bunch of different sets or groups to finally figure out where yours is at. But I want to do an icon it. And actually I want to do the antlers, which was already at the beginning, but figured I'd show you anyway. I want to do a different color. So down here it says design a color. And if you highlight over or hover over the colors, it'll tell you what each of them are. But we're going to do orange because my favorite color is orange. Alright, now I want to add some text. And if you can't already tell, what is new and nice about this is you don't have to go through all of the selections first to finally see what your preview looks like. It's going to show you right off the bat. And we're going to do born to hunt. And enter. And I'm going to change the color to black. And I want to change the font to something girly. So we're going to go with signature. And there you go. But if you want to add another line, you click add a line. We're going to put to hunt down here. So you can either hit enter or just click in the background, whichever is easiest for you. And I don't like black, so we're going to go brown. And another thing that's really nice is, see up here they have the plus and minus magnifying. So right now you're at the negative. If you click the positive, it's going to bring up just the personalization area. So if you want, you can still change everything here. To whatever you want. I'm going to leave it like that. So there you go. And if you're ready, you can click save and add to cart. But if all of a sudden you have changed your mind and you want a different bag or product pattern, then you can go up here. And now let's go to the brown. And normally you're going to have to start all over. Guess what? You don't have to. So I'm super excited about that. It keeps your exact personalization options already there for you. So you can technically go to whatever you want and make any of the different changes that you want. I think I went too fast for it. Kind of like the black better. There you go. And zoom in a little bit. You can see it. Otherwise, back out, and there's your whole bag. So I like it the way it is. You know what? We're gonna do only one line. Remove this line. So now there is only one, because I want the antlers a little bit bigger. Alright, so from here, save and add to cart. And then it's going to pop up showing that it added it to the cart. And when it's all done, it's going to bring you back to the original page for the large utility tote. And at the bottom here, it kind of did before already. I figured I'd just show it to you, just make sure. It'll show you either different patterns in the bag you have selected here. I think we had camo. So these down here should change. Maybe it's not going to now. It's going to kind of give you just different things that normally go with the product that you have. I love a Tapa tote for mine, but I want to get black. We're going to add that to the cart. Then we're going to view the cart. And there you go. So I actually qualify for a special now, because I reached over the $35 minimum for a special, which would have been just fine with just the large utility tote. And you can click add an item here. Otherwise, if you are done, you can click begin checkout. Make sure you put in your first name, last name, your email, and phone number. And then at the bottom here, it will show your consultant and party. So you should see my name here, and under party, if you can, always put it towards a party. It just kind of helps, whether it's my party or somebody else's party. If you were invited to a party, click on your hostess's name and her bag, or her party. And then continue. And you can either ship to, it'll either be the hostess or the consultant. So you can either ship to, so this will be shipping to the hostess. So it'll ship to, and it'll tell you here. So it's going to also let you know now what your shipping is going to be. So it's around $4.40. Otherwise, if you direct ship it, you have to put in your name, stuff like that. Just to kind of go, we're going to do a ship to the hostess. Continue. And 31 gives is something that is very special even to my family, as we have had family members that have needed their support, which Ronald McDonald House is one of the charities that they help, and your donation helps go to that. So you can either round up to the next dollar, you can round up 5, 10, or even put your own price in there if you'd like to do a different amount, or you can just say no thanks. I always at least round up to the next dollar. If you were given a gift certificate, put your gift certificate number in here. You will need to have it from the consultant that you were given it to, given it from, I should say. So if you were given a gift certificate and I was your consultant, you either can get with me to get your gift certificate number, or it might even be on your gift certificate itself. Put your credit card information, continue, and then you will submit your order. So I really hope that the personalization is going to be so much easier for you. We are almost at 10 minutes and I want to get off here. So But everyone has a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.